Hey everybody, this is Laura Nelkin. Let me show you quickly how to do a bind off on the Echo earring. I am on the bind off round. I've worked through rounds 12. I've already purled 2 stitches. I'm going to slip up 5 beads so that they're touching the right hand needle. And then I am going to bind off 1 stitch purlwise, which means I need to purl 2 and then slip 1 stitch over, just like you're binding it off, a regular everyday bind off. And now I'm just going to elongate this stitch and make it really big so I can pull through the end of my yarn with all of the rest of the beads on it. There should be 15 more beads on your yarn. So I'm literally binding off those stitches all the way and fastening them off. And that's how you work a beaded bind off, folks.